In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Trustpilot in Framer. We'll start inside your Framer project. Open the project you want to update. I'm using a sample called Popular Domain, but any project works. Once you're on the canvas, open the Insert panel. In the Insert drawer, find the social category, expand it if needed, and choose Trustpilot. Now place the Trustpilot element onto your page by clicking on the canvas. If it drops into the wrong section or feels slightly off, just click again to confirm, then drag it into the exact spot you want. Use the blue alignment hints as you move it so it snaps cleanly into your layout. With the Trustpilot component selected, look to the right sidebar. Open Position and set how it sits in your layout. Choose the alignment and constraints that keep it responsive across breakpoints. Then open Size to fine-tune width and height, or keep it on auto if you want the component to adapt to its content. If you see any on-canvas guides or overlays that make alignment hard to judge, toggle those in overlays so you can focus on placement without visual noise. Next, open Styles to refine the look and feel. Here you can align the widget's appearance with your brand by adjusting theme options, spacing, and visual accents. Keep changes subtle. Trustpilot elements work best when they're easy to read and not competing with other content. Now head into the Trustpilot settings for the component. Choose the type that fits your design goals, such as a compact badge, a carousel, or a list. Then select the language that matches your site's locale to keep the experience consistent for visitors. If your page includes long sections, open the Layout controls and enable Scroll section only if you want this area to scroll independently. Otherwise, leave it off so the widget flows with the page. If your project uses code overrides, open the Code Overrides panel to view available overrides and link one if you've already created it. This is helpful for advanced interactions or state changes, and you can always return to it later as your design evolves. When everything looks right on the canvas, it's time to go live. Click Publish, then confirm with Update. After the publish completes, preview your site to verify the Trustpilot widget renders correctly. The layout holds up on mobile and desktop, and the language and type settings match your expectations. If anything needs refinement, jump back in, adjust position, size, styles, type, or language, and publish again. That's it. Your Trustpilot integration in Framer is ready.